Welcome back, third graders. We're in lesson 1-9. I'm on journal page number 18. Okay, today we're going to do equal sharing and equal grouping. Math message. It says solve, sketch to show your thinking. So if it says sketch, that means draw a picture. Miss Smith has 20 scissors. She places scissors on 5 tables. How many scissors can she place on each table? So this is kind of backwards of what we did yesterday. So we know the total. We have 20 scissors total, but we have 5 tables. So our magic question is, how many scissors on each table? Okay, how are we going to figure this out? I want you to try this on your own. We have 5 tables, so we can go ahead and we can draw 5 tables. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tables. Okay, we have 20 scissors. How do we know how to place them on each table? She places scissors on 5 tables. How many scissors can she place on each table? So make these an even amount of scissors on all of them. Make sure they're the same on all of the 5 tables and try to answer that question, how many scissors? Okay, put me on pause. Go ahead and try to solve it. We'll come back together and go over the answer. Go ahead. Okay, if you're back, that means you have an answer down here. If not, you're putting me on pause. Well, you have 20 scissors. So that's what I know from the problem. We have 20 total, and we have 5 tables to place them on. How did you decide what to draw first? Well, we know that there were 5 tables, so we drew out what we knew. How did you place an equal amount of scissors on there? If I know there's 20, could I tally and count to 20 and stop when I get to 20 to see how many are on each table? Let's try that. Okay, so I am going to count up to 20 scissors, and I'm going to put 1 scissors on each table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So far, I've handed out 5 scissors out of my 20. Okay, I'm going to start at my first table again. So I ended with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ding, ding, ding. We have 20 scissors passed out. How many are in each table? 1, 2, 3, 4. There should be 4 in each. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 scissors on each table. That is amazing. Think about if there was another way you could have solved putting 20 scissors on each table. But we made them equal sharing. We shared them equally to all of the groups. And we found out we can put 4 scissors on each table. This is awesome. Make sure you write this in, send a picture to your teacher, and you can head on to the next video.